Hi, good afternoon. 1 p.m., 23rd of November 2017. So as you all know, the previous video that I, shared with you all was just stuck up. I think the screen did not get recorded. So anyway, now I hope you can all see my screen. So this is Nifty 50. This is Nifty's cash graph, right? And I was discussing it earlier also and right now also that Nifty is in a very, very narrow range. So let me mark the range and then probably we'll make out from there what's happening in Nifty. So if I make the bottommost part here and the topmost part here, so it is within this narrow range for the last 3 days, 1, 2 and 3. 3 days it's just been in a range of about 60 points, which is quite a narrow range. So that means Nifty is trying to consolidate. Nifty is trying to consolidate, and from there onwards, it will decide whether it's going to go up or it doesn't plan to go up, right? So Nifty, let's analyze Nifty a bit more. So if I see from here a bit of tweezer top being formed here, and after that Nifty is having a little bit profit booking coming into profit booking is coming into it, right? So although it is coming down, but still, if you ask me, my bias is positive on Nifty. Why is it so? Because Nifty has crossed all these moving averages. So until these 200 moving averages crossed in the downward direction, I don't have a negative bias on Nifty, right? So some of the stocks that I want to discuss and tell you is I hope that all of you have joined my Telegram channel. I want to show you some of the stocks that we have given on our Telegram channel. So this is Aptech, right? We gave it yesterday. Yesterday was 22nd of November 2017. Yeah, so we gave 326 at 326 Aptech. Stop loss was 310, and today itself it has made a huge high. Let's see what's happening in that. Aptech Limited has even touched today 390, 387, right? That's the height, like we gave it to you here, right? We gave on certain perceptions or certain ideas, and we don't know what may happen tomorrow. We don't know. Some of the stocks are stuck up, for a few days, but we really have no idea. But on our past experience and particular setups that we look into it, we tell you that the stock may be going up. Then we had Shakti Pump. We have given it to you today. Then AIA Engineering. Then we have given you Nesco, Pearl Global. So small amounts you can invest, and see, this is some members' profit you can see here. Nifty Futures, Reliance Infra Future, and Titan. So, that is how members become independent by understanding the market. Then we have also given you Tokyo Camlin at 106, and the stop loss is 100 rupees, right? So, I was saying you all must join the Telegram channel, have a look at it, and go to the back and see from the inception how the stocks have been performing. And I'm sure you will be able to convince yourself that the trades given by us are doing very good and very authentic trades. So today on my radar is this TCS. TCS, I have a negative bias, and that just not because of any other reason, but because IT, there is this news. One is that because news says that there will be all the IT companies or ITES will have to pay 10,000 crores put together. I'm sure even from the past year's profits they have to impart, they have to pay taxes on that. So that is one news. And then I feel TCS is on a downtrend. You can see in a larger perspective, TCS has been in the downtrend, but today it is horizontal. Today it's doing nothing, although I have created a position in this, but till it goes down, I don't see a reason. I'm not getting any profit. My mindset was that it is definitely planning to go down. Okay, so some of the more stocks that we have given you right just about a few minutes back is HBL Power. right? This HBL Power has given this breakout today. This is one-day graph. One-day graph is, it stands over here. So this is a good, correct buying price. If you get it, I'm sure you will get at least 10% in next few days. I'm expecting it to give at least 10 to 12% in the next few days, right? And then of course we have given you Pincon Lifestyle. Just look into Pincon Lifestyle also. Pincon Lifestyle, this is a bottomed out stock. It is just bottomed out stock. If you buy about some 500 shares and keep it in your portfolio, because this has got very, very rock solid fundamentals. The fundamentals are very, very good. So if keep a time frame of about few years. Don't keep very short frame for these penny stocks, because they just need some amount of money. So if it is 24 rupees and you buy 500, so 12,000 rupees, like normally people do their SIP of 10,000, 12,000 rupees. So you believe you've done the SIP for your child. Do it for 5 years. Leave it. Just let it be there. Okay. So this is Pincon Lifestyle. Its market cap is 71 crores. Current price 23.5. Book value, PE, all this is fine. Okay. Now, company is virtually debt free. Company is expected to give good quarters, right? And these are some cons. And then you can see, compare it with their peers. So the least, almost not really least, Binny. So this Binny is also I'm going to talk about right away. So this is Pincon Lifestyle 6.51. That is the P, comparatively very less with respect to its peers, right? And the book value to the current market price to the book value is also pretty reasonable. Then you look into the sales. There has been a tremendous growth in 3 years, from 2 crores to 133 crores. That's the growth. And operating profits have gone up too, from 0.02 crore to 7.64 crores, right? Which is a pretty decent number. Then sales have also gone up from 2011 till now, right? Starting from 0.1 lakh, or rather I would say from here 2015, 7 crore to 413 crores. What a tremendous growth in sales. Expenses have also gone up. So are the operating margins, right? Operating profits, that has also gone up. Okay. Then look into its borrowings. There is no borrowing. You see here, there is no borrowing at this particular thing. Borrowings, there is nothing. Then cash was quite negative as of the last year also, but now it has become lesser, and they are having some positive cash. So to me, this company looks good. I believe in few months it will at least be touching. Let me see, where is it right now? If I look into it, it will touch definitely this point, 34 rupees. That's what its first target will be. That's what I believe. So definitely you can keep it on your radar, and you can create a position if you wish to do that, right? But please analyze yourself. You have to analyze. Now TCS is going down. It's just given me so much of pain since morning. So much of pain since morning. I've been just watching it, because according to me, it should have gone down. No matter what, it should have gone down. But somehow it was not going down. And now it is kind of heading down. So let's see why it's, I believe you all must really help me out with somewhere where I have a good platform which can be worked upon, because Zenotha is time and again getting stuck. Or maybe let's write a joint letter to them and tell them that this is not correct. So many people, their trades are stuck up because of your platform. Please do something about it. This is not correct. If they are taking lakhs and lakhs of people in their, bringing into their trading platform, they have to create that kind of facility. They can't be just leaving it to some, obsolete methodology to give the trades, to give the trading platform and not upgrade it. They have to upgrade it with respect to the number of people that they are having. right? Because their drawings are, their graphs are stuck up morning. You can't analyze anything. You have to have something extra. So now TCS is coming down. Now finally, you know, see again it is stuck up, you know, because this is not the graph. Graph of 15 minutes is different. Let me show you here. TCS. See here, and I'm going to take you to 15 minutes. See now. See, this is, now it is falling down, right? Since morning it has tested my patience. But what I want to tell you here is, if your trades are correct, if your, you know, understanding is correct, you have to be confident. You know, like you can, sometime, you know, your trade doesn't materialize that when one day. It may take a few days, you know. So if it may take a few days, then there is possibility for you to get impatient, you know. So, but if you understand that your trades are correct, then you don't need to worry. See, this graph is stuck up. It's not going to 15 minutes. This is actually the graph of 15 minutes. Fine. So I think let's write a joint letter to them and tell them this is not correct. If they want to, you know, see here, now it's coming. Now it's coming down. Finally, it's been since morning. See, it's tested my patience for all these candles. I've been, you know, just thinking what, I mean, I was just thinking to exit it, you know, because I was not ready to wait for so long. But then finally the patient has paid off. So a little bit of profit booking is there. Let's see in Nifty. Let's see what's happening with respect to, see here, there is a bit of profit booking coming in. Let's see what's happening in the option chain. So this is the option chain, which had about opened up a bit, little bit 1216, right? I'm sure it must have changed. Let me have a look so that I can compare it. So here it is. Now you can see the call writing happening at this level, 10,300, right? So right now, where are we? 10,326. So Nifty definitely doesn't go above 10,400. That is one thing for sure. And Nifty doesn't go down below 10,300. That's also almost certain. A huge put writing happening at this level. So that means Nifty's range will be, if it falls, it is going to cover up this gap, you know, like this gap, yesterday's gap. It'll fill that gap up and then it'll bounce back, right? I'm sure it'll come down till this point, or maybe let's put the pivot point and see with respect to that till what point Nifty will come. So Nifty will come till, now it's on the S1, right? So this is one point where it may get some support, and if it gets support, then probably it may bounce back. See, TCS again bounced back. TCS is just not, you know, ready to go down, but although I feel if I look into the longer perspective, it definitely looks to me to be going down, but it's just, you know, somehow not giving it. Somebody's controlling it. Somebody's controlling this particular stock, right? So see here, it's bouncing back, but I'm also patient, you know, because I believe since there is a profit booking coming in Nifty, so this should also give me good profit. I'm hoping that, I'm expecting that, right? Okay, so quickly let's look into the Bank Nifty also. Though I believe Bank Nifty is, in my previous video, which didn't have voice, I was saying that it is experiencing resistance. You can see this. So to me, Bank Nifty looks weak. It definitely plans to go down, and till what point? Definitely till this point, which is 25,629. To this point it should definitely come, and then if it takes a support, it may bounce back from there, or if it falls, then further fall can be expected, right? So now guys, just to once again let you know, on our website the HDFC card is working, and SBI is also working. Let me take you there. So this is our website. You go to the stockprotraining.com and come to the webinar, right? You go to the, this is our home page. You come to the webinar, right? Come to the webinar and then join now. and then you will come to this page where you can pay by PayUmoney or InstaMojo, whichever choice you want to make. If you have HDFC Bank, Citibank, SBI, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, even American Express Bank, you can pay by PayUmoney, right? And you can make a choice by yourself, you know, whichever, and then you get some kind of installments also. You need to fill it up and pay securely. When you go there, it will ask you, do you want to convert your payment into EMI? So you say yes, and then decide the number of EMIs that are convenient to you, right? 1, 2, 3. Then there is an option of even 24 EMIs. So you can make a call. You can take a call how many EMIs you want. So take this opportunity, because now we are starting from 2nd of December. And as I said, we have limited seats. We don't have many seats. So please book your seats ASAP. Otherwise, they will be all gone, right? Because the kind of, response we got last time was phenomenal. So I'm expecting better response this time. So my request to you all guys will be to really, book your seats and learn, because I believe 2018, just spend 1.5 month in analyzing your stocks, right? Once you understand correct way of analyzing stocks, you can, it's learning for life. You know, you will get all the money that you will be investing in your education. We promise that we will earn it back. We will help you in earning it back. So there is nothing that you will be losing, right? We will teach you how to find stocks which are good for equity, hold them for a few days, and book the profit. As I told you, we showed you Aptech, how beautifully it has done, right? Aptech has done so nice. Exactly like that, you can find out many stocks and invest in them. This is Aptech Limited. This is what we gave you yesterday. So within a day, 15% profit. If you have a lakh of rupees and 15% profit means 15,000 rupees and secure investment. You just have to work a day before. So learn these kind of trades, and we ensure you will be able to find out correctly these stocks, and you will be able to earn money, right? I'm really looking forward to you all, because don't take tips. Just say no to tips, no matter what, because you should be the person controlling your trades, when to enter, when to exit. Nobody should tell you, right? Then your money will grow. Then your money will give you good returns, right? With this, I'm signing off, but I'm expecting every single person to be there for the training program. All right? And we start on 2nd of December. In case you have a problem, in case you have something, you can go to my videos and you will get, no, sorry. This is not the one. You can come to StockPro videos and come to the description box, right? Go to the description box and you will see this description box. You can see our Telegram channel over there. Here, when you go to the description box, you will see all the things here. You have my phone number here. You have my this, and I'm going to write my email ID also, and email ID plus my website detail. You will be able to get it. Simply my website is stockprotraining.com, right? stockprotraining.com. That is my website. Just go to it. You get all the information, and you can make a call also in case you wish to talk. And with this, I'm signing off, but I'm waiting for you all. Every single person out there who want to be in the market, they have to learn. There is no option. There's no option. Please don't take tips. That is one thing for sure, right? Good day. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.